Hang on, Nathan, I'll let you know. I've got a good picture on it. Can't really see it. I can't see. Fuck,
it will get it. It will just put it on the floor. It will get it. Just pointing straight at it. Just a little bit left, not much.
Can't fucking see it down there, you see?
We'll come down then.
I was fucking sick. I don't think it even blew apart. Yeah, because it did. One flew out of it. It might feel out.
Mate, that pumpkin is a miracle. Hello,
I
Jack.
just blew his hat off. Literally just blew his hat off because that was obviously the easiest place for it to come out of, wasn't it?
That one.
Should have sealed it up more.
No, if you still a shit one.
Yeah, he did it. He sealed it crap. Celia.
Oh well.
We need something good to blow up. Sons of bitches.
Fucking